Hi, Miti.
Hi
Hi,
Nabodita, how are you?
good, good. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
Hi Jaita, welcome. Hi everyone.
Hi, hi, Jaita. She says hi, Payal.
Hi Jaita.
Is she a friend?
Yeah, she's my friend, and she's also interning at MMC.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's nice. That's very nice.
yeah,
So, are we waiting for other people to join or what?
yeah. We'll just wait till it reaches 15, and then we'll start. Okay.
Okay, okay, sure.
Okay. Hi everyone. Hi, hi, hi. Okay.
This is exciting.
This is exciting. Yes. Wait, let me just put a title. Then I'll pin that comment.
Hi, Shrujna. Oh, hi, Bobby. Hi, Ishita. These are all my
Yeah.
friends.
All. Yeah. Okay.
Mami, like
I'll.
Rekh Balikas is actually my mommy's handle. So she has her own
Oh,
label. She redesigns and prints very beautiful sarees. So
okay.
that's her. That's her. And my mommy is in the next room. So
Okay. Wait, how do you pin a comment on this? Okay. Can you pin the comment, Nabodita?
yeah, how do you do that?
Yeah,
I'm
same
not
thing.
sure.
I.
I'm not
Okay.
sure how. I think only the admin can do that.
Okay, really? Let me check. I think I don't have the feature, probably. Okay. So, hi everyone. I'm Payal. Today we're going to start with Fake a Story. So today we're going to talk about anime, and we specifically chosen Haikyuu as our topic, and we have a very lovely guest, Nabodita Rao, and please introduce yourself to our audience.
Okay. Well, to introduce myself, I think um, the best way to describe myself at this point in life would be someone who is choosing to be independent. Choosing to be independent amidst this pandemic and in a different city. I work as a consultant at a fintech startup called 2.7.
Okay.
What 2.7 does is that we have a solution which works towards working capital requirements of our clients, etc. And my work is primarily in marketing and strategy. So, let's say all sorts of visuals, let's say a website or a social media strategy, or, like whatever visuals that go out for our clients and handling
Mm-hmm.
clients and all of that exciting stuff. That is what I do. And to just, give you a brief idea about what I love to do is that first I love to cook. So, I will definitely give a mention to my own
Yes.
page, which is called Khadika Khabar. So that, and I love to sing, I love to dance, and that is what I try to do. And Mr. Mustache's Cakes, बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है अपना. So yeah, I mean, I used to be a manager at Mr. Mustache's Cakes. It was last year itself
Yes.
during the pandemic. So yeah, I and Khushbu and the entire team, we worked really hard, day and night. Like late night meetings, क्योंकि सबका वो होता था, college वगैरह होता था, and once that is over, then we used to sit on calls. We laid the foundation for
Yeah.
the business, and I remember that Khushbu, she used to come to my place, ठीक है,
She's
and
saying
we
she
used.
loves your hairstyle, by the way. She's saying she loves your hairstyle.
Oh, she did.
That comment ऊपर चला गया, but yeah, she said that. Yeah, she mentioned
Oh
that. She's
my
loving
god,
your
that was
hairstyle.
such. Okay, ठीक है, fine. Thanks, I feel. Yeah, post.
Hello, Khushbu. Hi,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Hi, everyone. Like, who's joining right now? Hi.
Okay, yeah. So talking about Khushbu. So yeah, I mean, she used to be at my place. and मम्मी डिनर बनाती थी. ठीक है, and we used to have dinner table conversations ki what all new things that we can do, maybe set up some stall, or like what would be the future plan for Mr. Mustache's cakes. मतलब डिनर टेबल कॉन्वर्सेशन होती थी कि हम कौन सा ओटीजी खरीदेंगे. That was an entire phase.
Yeah.
But yeah, fun time, and I miss that so much. But yeah, and Arun uncle, he bakes amazing cakes, like amazing cakes. And मुझे मेरे favorites honestly donuts होते थे. So yeah, I mean that is who I am, and that is what relation that I have with Mr. Mustache's cakes, and I hope that's a lifelong bond that I share with Khushbu, Arun uncle, and the entire organization.
Yeah. So yes, Mr. Mustache's Cakes is based in Gurgaon, and all the Gurgaon people who've joined us, please make sure you order from Mr. Mustache's Cakes. And yes, so the topic for today, I tried to pin the comment, but वो pin नहीं हुआ. It's going to be anime. So this is Bake a Story. We're relaunching it, and today's topic is going to be anime, and we're going to talk about what Nabodita thinks of anime and how she got into anime and what recommendations does she have for other people, and specifically Haikyuu, which is the topic chosen by her. So firstly, like tell us what got you into anime, like when did you start watching it?
All right. So, see, I would definitely tell this to the audience and people who joined, that I'm not a weeb. I just appreciate the content a lot. And to answer your question, Payal, I got into anime. I think this was, I don't know, second year of college, I think. And I was in Mumbai, and my brother, my cousin, he forced me to watch Death Note. Forced.
I think it
Okay.
starts from there.
Yeah, yeah. Always, every week I think starts from
Like forceful
Death Note.
watching.
Huh. But
Yeah.
it's actually a very good show, like the sorts of twists that they have, the depth to which a character is developed, etc. So that is great. And after that, another cousin of mine, he used to force me to watch a lot of these really good shows like kya tha, I think Real Life. Huh. There's a
Mm-hmm.
very good show that's Real Life. Then FMA, yeah, Full Metal Alchemist
Yeah,
Brotherhood.
Full Metal Alchemist. Yep.
Yeah, and that tops the charts till date. So I mean, I was just checking quick Google करा मैंने तो देखा it still tops the charts. So yeah, and then I started watching Haikyuu. Again, a recommendation. So this is like a cousin who lives in Gurgaon. So yeah, and then I fell upon Haikyuu, and then I watched it, and then I could not stop watching it. Yeah, I mean Haikyuu is my favorite, always is going to be. मतलब ऐसा होता है ना, जैसे I love Harry Potter, ठीक है,
Mm-hmm.
so I keep watching Harry Potter over and over and
Again
over
and
again.
again, yeah.
Yeah, and each and every time there's some sort of a detail that I would always miss out, ठीक है, और नहीं तो कुछ और interpretation निकलेगा, and that is the same thing with Haikyuu. Haikyuu is extremely detailed, ठीक है, so yeah, I mean that is how I started watching Haikyuu and anime.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Khushbu, you need to focus at the stall as well. Khushbu is currently at the stall and she's saying, I'm so distracted at the stall by the two of you.
Why can't I can't see all these comments, yeah?
नीचे comment, it's all there. Like try to swipe up, maybe you'll see it.
नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को.
नीचे
Anyway,
बहुत छोटे. Maybe I think only the host can see it probably. Okay, so I'll just dictate all the comments. Anshuman says same. Harry Potter is lit. Harry Potter. सारे हैरी पॉटर फैंस आ गए यहाँ पे अचानक से. But guys, topic is not Harry Potter. Topic is anime, Haikyuu. So if you
yeah.
have any, like, if you have any questions or you want to talk about something, please feel free to comment in the questions डाल सकते हो.
Yeah,
Everyone
yeah.
can see the comments. Okay, I think maybe कुछ होगा so like app version का कुछ होगा because I'm not able to pin the comment as well. Okay, so yes, so what were your first like first reaction to watching anime? Like your cousin made you forcefully watch it. So after that, like, what was the next step?
Okay, so I would say that, after watching, let's say, a Death Note, my perception towards Haikyuu, I mean, anime, changed completely. Okay, and that is something that I've noticed also, that people have this perception that anime is cartoon.
I'm guilty of that.
Yeah, वो ऐसे सोचते हैं कि, anime would something uh, is a content like a छोटा भीम, let's say, ठीक है, stupid,
हाँ.
ठीक है, so that is not what it is at all, ठीक है, like, there is, मतलब, actually it's intense stuff, ठीक है, like I'll tell you what, so FMA, ठीक है, had this scene and that is my favorite scene, जिसमें कर्नल मस्टैंग होता है, ठीक है,
Mm-hmm.
एंड वो एक एनवी करके कैरेक्टर होता है, एंड एनवी ने उसके क्लोज दोस्त को, लाइक, ही हैड मर्डर्ड द हिज फ्रेंड, ठीक है, एंड मस्टैंग वांटेड टू अवेंज हिमसेल्फ रियली
Mm-hmm.
बैडली, एंड जब भी उसके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी था, ठीक है, कि he would have killed Envy, his friends who were around, they said that, if you kill this person, if you kill this monster, this devil, uh, because you want to avenge, like out of a revenge wala feeling, then you will feel like, that would have an adverse impact on your soul, ठीक है, क्योंकि that is not the person you are, you're a very good person and revenge cannot drive you, ठीक है, so if you want to kill this person, ठीक है, then it has to be for a bigger purpose,
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है, it
Okay.
cannot be a selfish purpose at all, ठीक है, and that is deep, ठीक है, and उसके friends उसको उस moment पे जब he has all the authority, all the power to kill, उस moment पे they convince him, ठीक है, and he
Okay.
thinks and he recalibrates, ठीक है, कि ऐसा हमें नहीं ऐसा मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए, ठीक है, and then his entire approach, his entire stance and his entire perspective, it changes, and that is mature stuff, that is how you should be in life, ठीक है,
Mm-hmm.
so ये सब थोड़ी ना छोटा भीम वगैरह पे दिखा दिए. This is not what happens, वो Oggy and whatever cockroaches,
Augie and the cockroaches.
yeah, all of that is stupid content, ठीक है, and
But
that
I
is
think it's
not,
it's catering a different audience as well. Like you
that
can
is true.
see, like there might be animes that are just for like kids. There's a Chota Bheem, Augie and the Cockroaches. They're like for a smaller, they cater a smaller audience. Like those who are like 5, 6, 7. But ये जैसे है, that can be for bigger audience. Like trying to understand the underlying emotions and everything. Like you said, the character goes through all this character development.
हाँ, हाँ. No, that is also, yeah, that is true. That is very true. So yeah, I mean, then elder generation, हमारे मम्मी पापा, ठीक है. So like I had that entire Haikyuu and FMA and all of that phase, okay, or and I used to like have subtitles, ठीक है, but audio
Mm-hmm.
हमेशा Japanese रहता था, ठीक
Okay.
है, हाँ. तो मम्मी आती थी रूम में एंड टीवी पे ये सब चलता रहता था, एंड शी यूज्ड टू लाइक, व्हाट आर यू वाचिंग, व्हाट इज दिस, ठीक है, एंड लाइक, so like they have sort of a shrieking sort of a voice, है ना, तो like मम्मा यूज्ड टू से कि यार मेरे सर में दर्द हो रहा है, ठीक है, थोड़ा बंद करो इसको, so like all of that used to happen, but like कुछ भी बोलो कि if they actually sit and watch and comprehend, understand, they would enjoy. It's that level of a content that
Mm.
is out there, so yeah,
So
I
yes,
mean,
so like you mentioned कि you watch in the original language. Like I know some of my friends they watch anime dub करके. So they're either
हाँ,
watching it like dubbed in English or in French.
हाँ,
So that's how
हाँ,
it goes with them. But
yeah,
the thing like what I cannot understand is that if you're watching something in a different language, like and when you hear a different audio, like the lip movements don't match with that. So does that annoy you? Like is that the reason you watch it in Japanese and like have subtitles?
No, malab, no, I don't. It's a common habit. Like even if let's say I'm watching some, let's say a South Indian movie, ठीक है?
Yeah,
Yeah, I would, So my dad is a South Indian, ठीक है? He's
yeah.
Telugu. तो कभी कभी उनका भी थोड़ा बहुत कंटेंट देख लेते हैं, ठीक है? दो इट्स ओवर द टॉप, ठीक है? इट्स लाइक वो 3 बार वाली चीजें वगैरह होती है, ठीक है? बट हाँ, तब भी लाइक इवन दो आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड लाइक कि वो क्या बोल रहे हैं, you can always read the subtitle and try and understand कि क्या हो रहा है.
Hmm.
The feel and the vibe of the content is authentic.
Yeah, I think I also relate to that. If I watch something in like let's say Japanese, if I watch an anime, I would prefer to watch it in the original language and then have like subtitles. People are like, yeah, how do you like, read the subtitles and watch the pictures moving at the same time? I think that's a skill.
Yeah,
Sorry, what's your
yeah,
name?
yeah.
Muskan, that is so much annoying. I haven't watched Money Heist because of this. Wait,
Oh, yeah.
so Money Heist, yeah, Money Heist, same thing. Audio is in Spanish. So wait, Muskan, do you watch it in Spanish audio or in English audio?
What does she say? Somehow, like my comments are not getting updated whatsoever.
I think I think it's just the Instagram update app update probably. Okay, meanwhile she replies. So let's say so what's your favorite genre of anime? Like there's different types of animes. Which one would be your favorite? And why?
I would be very honest. It's not like I've watched a lot of them to have a favorite genre. I just have one series that is my favorite, and that's just about it. But since Muskan, you said right? She mentioned
I
about
cannot okay, she cannot watch dubbed version. Okay.
yeah. So like जैसा Money Heist का अभी आया था Spanish, ठीक है? One more like I'll tell you what. Since the broad idea is Netflix as well, ठीक है? There is this show which is entertaining, like
She's
very
saying
very.
she's saying it feels like an insult to the original language watching it a dubbed version.
Yeah, that is very very true.
Yeah, मतलब the actors are putting so much effort in speaking that, and then तुम किसी सब like dub सुन के you're watching that.
हाँ, like you wouldn't watch a Marvel movie in Hindi यार, until and unless you're bored out of your mind.
Guilty, guilty.
But
नहीं,
नहीं,
okay,
तूने
my
entertainment purposes के लिए ही देखा है ना?
हाँ हाँ नहीं, उनकी हिंदी में dubbing is more funny. That's the whole reason.
Yeah. Like वो I understand कि
Yeah.
जैसा हैरी पॉटर भी मतलब पहले मैंने हिंदी में ही देखा था. वो मैंने हिंदी में ही देखा था, but still you get it. वो तब हम
Yeah.
बच्चे थे. So yeah, one very entertaining but stupid show is Elite. I'm not sure if
Hmm.
you.
Yeah. I haven't watched it. I haven't watched it. But मेरे को भैया like I Spanish I cannot watch. मतलब it's not कि मेरे को dubbed version भी देखना है. But मुझे I don't know मेरा interest नहीं बन रहा. So guys, if anyone is watching Elite, please tell me how to start watching it because मेरा interest ही नहीं बन रहा उसमें.
Build patience, okay? Develop a lot of patience because सही में ऐसा लगेगा कि यार एक तो ये हाई स्कूल के लोग हैं, ठीक है?
Hmm.
It does not feel like they are high school people, ठीक है? And it's stupid, but it's stupidity. The stupidity of that content is what it makes it extremely entertaining. ठीक है? And that is my opinion. People might actually genuinely like the show because of the
Yeah.
thrill and all of that. So I'm sorry to those people, but that is not. I do not like. I find it entertaining because it's stupid.
I think that's fair enough. It's the same for like Riverdale. So like since it's it's OTT content, Netflix pay Riverdale is like it's the one of the most ridiculous shows, I'll say that. But I'm guilty of watching all 5 seasons. I'm totally guilty of that. But like, it's like season one was fine, season two was fine, season three is like what's happening? Season four same, but uske baad it's just you continue it for the sake of continuing it. It's like चलो ठीक है अब देख ही लेते हैं.
हाँ,
There's nothing else left.
हाँ, yeah, yeah. Okay, coming back to Haikyuu. The theme is anime.
Yes.
Yes.
So which let's say there are like many characters. Which one is your favorite?
There's this character called Tsukushima. Okay.
Okay.
It's also called as Four Eyes.
Okay.
And
And
because
why is that?
वो चश्मे लगता है.
Okay, four eyes. Got it. Got it.
So yeah, and why do I like the character? Okay, I'll tell you. Very interesting. Okay. Okay, so he is an amazing player. ठीक है, like ऐसा top 3 वगैरह में आता है वो in the team. ठीक है, and later on also he's invited to a different sort of a practice tournament, like a workshops out of a situation. ठीक है, तो उसमें उसको बुलाते हैं and all of that. Like he's a genius player. ठीक है, मतलब ऐसे players होते हैं ना कि are you a sports person? You.
Little bit. Like I play little bit. Like it's mostly badminton. Yeah.
उसे बैडमिंटन ही मैंने लाइफ में थोड़ा बहुत खेला है, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं खेला मैंने.
I had these different phases. मतलब badminton से start किया. Badminton is the only one that continued. Basketball try किया 3 साल. Then I tried table tennis. So I play a bit of everything. ऐसे हो गया अब.
अच्छा, okay. I've never been an athletic or like a sports person at all. Like I used to suck at it. ठीक है, and that's the irony कि मेरे को ये content पसंद है. Like it's my favorite. Anyway, so about Tsukushima. Yeah, so like वैसे players होते हैं ना कि मतलब they can think while they're playing. They're not reactive in nature. ठीक है, कि मतलब ऐसे कि since okay, wait, Haikyuu is about volleyball. ठीक है, the first place. ठीक है, so oh wait a second. My brother suggested that I keep a volleyball.
Wow.
I like show it to the people who join. Yeah, and my cousin is also a great fan of Haikyuu. और वहाँ से inspire होके he got this ball and we sort of practice it. Anyway, so like what happens in volleyball, what I can understand is that you need to be extremely careful about the angle, the force, and a lot of physics revolving around how to get it.
Or you can twist your wrist basically if you don't do it in a correct way.
Correct, exactly. ठीक है, you might as well break your fingers. Yeah, and
been there, done that.
Oh my God. Okay, sure. So all of that, okay, and he can comprehend all of it during a match. Okay, he can keep his calm. जब भी let's say they're losing, etc. So he's a really super player. But initially, like I think 1.5 seasons stuck, he does not like playing it. Like he is a great player, but he does not like the sport. Okay. So
okay.
Yeah. So in the first place, that is something that happens. Okay. And then he has a conversation with other players, like players from different other schools, and he shares this that I don't like the sport. I just play it for the sake of it. Just because I'm in the team, I play it. Okay. And it's just that he's an intelligent person. Or then this another team player, he says that you will have that moment of spark. I think it's not a team player, it's his own brother. ठीक है, उसके खुद का भाई भी उसको बोलता है that there will be one moment in all the matches that you play that you will fall in love with the sport. ठीक है, and then you will know कि उसके बाद you like it a lot. ठीक है,
okay.
And and with practice, ठीक है, with उसको ऐसा रहता है कि with each and every match he should improve always. ठीक है, he should try stuff. ठीक है, see what works, what does not work, and hone his skills. ठीक है.
Does he say it's just a club activity? Someone just commented. Haikyuu is like it's just a club activity.
Yeah, it is a club activity. ठीक है, वो मतलब वो हाई स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स है. ठीक है, तो मतलब पढ़ाई वढ़ाई सब होती है, बट वॉलीबॉल इज अ क्लब एक्टिविटी. But that's not how they consider it. ठीक है, उनका लाइफ हो जाता है.
Life and death, yeah.
Yeah. So like yeah, and yeah. So like there is a moment when he falls in love with it, and uh, therefore, like, then he starts enjoying. Okay. So what I learned from this character is that the thing that actually would help you excel is not passion, it's discipline. Okay, your passionate your passion, your motivation, and your drive, it is not constant. Okay, चाहे
Hmm.
मतलब people make it fancy, the society says, and let's say all of our previous generations or whatever, they'll say that you should be always driven, every day you wake up and you should feel motivated and all of that.
Doesn't
That's
happen.
not how it works.
Yeah, doesn't
There are
happen.
lazy days. ठीक है, there are days that you just like कि नहीं हो रहा यार. ठीक है, but your habits, like Kushima's habit is always to see what works, what does not work. His sense of discipline, उसका क्या रहता है कि I think okay, so there's this star player like amongst, मतलब ऐसा all India बोल रही हूँ, sorry.
अंदर का जापानीज के बारे में बात का अपना इंडियन इंडियन बाहर आ गया.
ऑल इंडिया जापान का मतलब ऐसा टॉप नॉच प्लेयर होता है इनके एज ब्रैकेट में, एंड उसके सर्व्स जो होते हैं ना वो बहुत पावरफुल होते हैं. मतलब
Hmm.
अगर तुम्हारा हाथ बीच में आ गया तो पक्का टूट ही जाएगा. ठीक है, बट ही इज वन ऑफ द प्लेयर्स हु ब्लॉक्स हिज सर्व्स. ठीक है, तो लाइक वो करता है एंड एवरीबडी cheers him and everybody is extremely proud of him. But what he says is that this was one out of, let's say, 20 serves that he's done all throughout the matches. Okay, and that's not what is commendable for him. Okay, and matlab I appreciate that a lot, because that does not let you be overconfident. ठीक है, दैट इज समथिंग दैट
Right.
इवन आई पर्सनली बिलीव कि यार एक विन है, ठीक है, आपने थोड़ा बहुत सेलिब्रेट कर लिया, बट दैट इज नॉट द फाइनल. दैट इज that is not that actually keeps you to make efforts all the time. So yeah, I mean that's why, like, this is just as a overall मैंने बताया है कि this is how the character is. But yeah, I mean, the bottom line is that passion is not what makes you a successful player or an individual. It's discipline,
Exactly.
it's your habits, and each and every day if you force yourself out of the bed, okay, and then you just sit and walk, okay, and whatever you're working, that is what is going to help you be wherever that you want to be. काफी
No,
ज्ञान
yeah,
था,
that's very
काफी
true.
ज्ञान.
Yeah, that's very neat, but somewhat that's true. Tab is
Yeah.
calling you a true Indian.
Who's calling?
Tab, Tab is calling you a true Indian.
Oh,
When you said the all India. Okay, Khushi has a
I'm very
question.
sorry.
Khushi has a question. How do you start the urge to watch anime?
Um, I think you force yourself.
Or someone else forces you?
Yeah, or someone else forces you. So
Yeah.
I mean, for me, someone else only forced me. Like they were like कि बैठो और देखो, ठीक है. And like for me, what has worked is कि पहले episode में ही इतना सब कुछ हो जाता है कि फिर तो मतलब all of that curiosity and वो सब build हो जाता है, and then you binge watch. That's
Hmm.
what I've done.
Agni bro is saying serve nahi spike. I think
हाँ,
in
that's
yeah.
ठीक है, fine. That is my cousin.
Oh, okay, that's your cousin. Okay. I see.
ठीक
Is
है.
that the cousin who forced you to watch?
No.
Okay.
That's different. Haikyuu. This is the cousin who forced me to watch Death Note.
Ah, okay.
Spike,
Meethi,
hey, Spike, Spike.
this live is so amazing. Woohoo. Thank you, Meethi.
ए अग्नि वो सर्व भी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से करता है. स्पाइक तो करता ही है. हाँ, एनीवे, हाँ, कैरी ऑन.
Is there a reply coming, Agni? That's his name, Agni?
Yeah.
Okay.
His name
So
is
yes,
actually
Khushi,
Agni
if
though,
you
but yeah.
okay. So yes, Khushi, if you need any suggestions, recommendations to watch anime, Nabodita can help from a beginner's level, you know. If you can
Yep.
suggest any 2, 3 animes for Khushi. So this
Start
will be
with
basically
Haikyuu.
be okay, start with okay.
Yeah,
So there
and
you
then
go.
you must watch Full Metal Alchemist. Yeah, I
Okay.
am a
Both
beginner only, so but yeah.
Both of them available on Netflix or like
Yes,
any
yes.
okay,
No, no,
good.
Netflix.
Okay, he's saying yes, true per Suki? That's how
Tushimas,
you,
Tushimas.
yeah, Tushimas
Acha, he
blocked
blocks
the
the
spike
spike.
na.
Acha,
Yeah,
okay, fine.
that's his comeback.
Sure. ठीक है. Maybe correct.
Okay, so what are you currently watching?
Currently, nothing. I'm not
Nothing.
watching. No, no.
So
Currently, I'm
what was the last thing you watched then, anime related?
anime. I watched Haikyuu only.
Okay,
उसके
yeah, I
बाद
think
I
yeah, I heard that it's also manga and it got converted
yeah
into a series, right?
yeah. It's a
So have
manga.
you read the manga? No? No interest in watching?
No, like okay, so manga I haven't read. I do plan to. I have the I don't know the sites or the PDF. Like another cousin Ayush, who he had forwarded it to me, but I have not gotten the time to read them. But I also somewhere have this inhibition because like it's a sport. ठीक है मुझे नहीं पता कि कितना ज्यादा ही मतलब वो थ्रिल एंड दैट एनर्जी बिल्ड हो पाएगा ऑन अ 2D
Mm-hmm.
platform. But I might as well be wrong. I would be very honest about it. It's just like a underlying inhibition that I have. But to be, if I be honest, I haven't had the time to read it. So like we'll see.
Okay. Okay. So what's next? What are you planning to like what do you have on your watch list?
Uh, I
Ishita
have
says my Saturday night is booked. And Kushi says, sure, I will watch it. Thank you. Thank you, Kushi. Guys, if you want to know anything more about like Haikyuu or just anime in general, like how to, what's your experience like, you guys can ask questions anytime.
yeah.
Okay. So yes, we're coming back to your watch list. What's on it?
Uh, if I be honest, I haven't gotten the time to build one. But I'll tell
Yeah.
you, the last thing that I watched on an OTT platform was not Netflix, it was Prime.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and on Prime, I'd watched this show called Handmaid's Tale.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
I have watched it, yeah.
Oh my God,
It's gory. It's
it
gory.
is extremely like you need a lot of willpower to
Yeah. And
actually go through.
patience.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, honestly, like I have had sleepless nights. Okay, if you watch the initial couple of videos, you'll be like, "What is happening? This is the worst nightmare that
Nightmare.
especially
Yeah.
a woman can think of." ठीक है कि ऐसा कोई world आ जाए. Um, but yeah, I mean, I don't know. The last season was bullshit. I felt.
I haven't watched the fourth. I think I only watched the first two seasons because third one was not available on Prime for me. But I think now it's available, so I might watch it again because अभी वो link like it was all during quarantine last year. अब वो
अच्छा.
link टूट गया है. But yes, I watched the first and second season, and I'm like, this is a very dangerous script. Like the way they have imagined all the rules and the whole practices. Has anyone in the like audience watched Handmaid's Tale? Would love to hear from you. But
Yeah.
I was just scared. I'm like, यार ये imagination भी बहुत scary है. Like the person who's writing the show and
Hmm.
everything, it's just
It
scary.
might have taken a toll. Yeah, I mean, especially the wife. मुझे याद नहीं क्या नाम थे उनके.
नाम तो
Uh,
मुझे भी याद नहीं अब तो I swear
हाँ,
I don't
right,
remember.
right. But yeah, I mean, for people who've joined, there's this lady, ठीक है, and okay, wait. तो मतलब थोड़ा बहुत कॉन्टेक्स्ट देना चाहिए हैंडमेड्स टेल के बारे में. सो लाइक इट्स अ कंट्री. एक्चुअली यूएस के कुछ दो
US,
तीन ही
yeah.
स्टेट्स बच जाते हैं जिनको वो कंबाइन करके एक कंट्री बनाते हैं. क्या नाम था मुझे याद भी नहीं. वो क्या नाम था.
I
नहीं
don't
आता.
remember. नहीं.
या वेट लेट मी गूगल. कुछ तो जी से नाम था या कुछ तो था.
Georgetown नहीं.
नहीं नहीं नहीं. अह, क्या हैंडमेड्स टेल.
Okay, Jaita's convinced to watch it now.
गिलियड गिलियड.
Gilead, हाँ, yes.
हाँ.
Gilead. And they
So
always
yes.
say like there's always this, one thing they say like what's it
Ha.
called?
God's eye,
God's eye.
under the
Yeah.
eye, under the
Under
eye.
the eye.
फिर
Yeah.
क्या may God rescue टाइप कुछ होता था.
It's like every time they see each other, like the soldiers they see each other, the handmaids they see each other, they have to say this thing, and it's just like it's like a secret
Blessed be
code
the
that
fruit. Blessed be the fruit. Under the eye
yes,
and blessed be the fruit. Which
blessed be
is
the
like,
fruit.
yeah, the plague that is there is that fertility rate bilkul matlab, it's dwindling in
Zero.
single digits. Yeah. And but that is not the case with Gilead, and because they have a system in place, and the system is extremely conservative, like extremely conservative, but that has led them to have all sorts of, like, carbon emissions in their country have reduced, and the way that they live is extremely sustainable in nature when it comes to environment or um, production, etc. But when it comes to the society, it's extremely bad, you know. And yeah, I mean, they have different categories of women, and the fertile ones are, they go through hell. They go through
Extremely.
hell. Yeah,
And if they're not fertile, they have to go through much worse stuff. Like
yeah,
I saw like spoiler kind of, but they literally kill the handmaids like if they're not going to the way like how it's
yeah,
dictated to them, and they have this
yeah.
warden kind of, and they have to go through all the
Lydia,
like yeah,
Aunt
and they
Lydia.
Aunt Lydia, yeah, and they have to go through
खतरनाक है
all
वो
the.
औरत यार.
I'm like, how can you be like that? How can I just don't
And
know.
they believe in that stuff, they truly believe in it. जैसे सेरीना थी वो, the
Hmm.
wife, ठीक है, and she is one of the founding members who laid the foundation for such a society, and she is given zero credits, ठीक है. She is like, जब भी ये society वो लोग बना रहे होते हैं, she is the spokesperson for it, she's written an entire book, she's an author. But after this particular society is in place, she is robbed of everything,
Everything.
everything. ठीक है, like she's not even a fertile woman herself. ठीक है, and from being an extremely proactive woman, ठीक है, who's independent, who's making a career out of herself, and she's extremely successful. From being that to being a housewife who has zero stature, zero voice, okay, that is extremely painful. Like, I cannot imagine that at all.
And the way her husband is treating her, like where did all that
Yeah,
love and
yeah,
all
their
go?
relation, it just goes from 100 to 0.
Zero.
His name is Waterford, Fred Waterford.
Fred
Huh.
Waterford, yeah, yeah. And the handmaids are assigned like Waterford's maid. No,
Ha,
wait,
ha, ha, ha.
right? It's
Ha,
something like
like,
that.
yeah, the
So
surname.
yeah, the
Fred, Fred,
surnames
Fred.
Fred, yes. So they are assigned like each handmaid is assigned that, and then they have to like conceive for that couple, and then that child is taken away from the handmaid, and then it's given to the family, and after some time when the handmaid heals, उनको किसी और family में they put
Transfer
it,
कर
and the
देते.
name changes,
Yeah,
and the name
yeah,
changes. It's and there was this one character जिसका she did not want to leave her baby, and she got
yeah.
very
That off Glen,
crazy. Offline, yeah,
off Glen, जिसका वो एक eye का problem रहता है.
yeah, yeah. So it's she did not want to separate from her baby, but her baby was taken away, and I'm like, oh no, actually, there's someone called the Blue Roti, and she cannot read the chats because she does not have the feature.
Oh,
So
that is my friend.
that yeah, that's
Hello.
probably your friend, yeah.
Yeah,
So
hi,
yeah, she
hello.
cannot, yeah, she's saying hi, but she cannot read your comments.
Yeah, I
So yeah,
can't see my
she's not
comments.
ignoring you.
Yeah, I mean your comments. What is he saying?
He's saying what an interest. No, you know me, you're so right.
What?
He's saying, wait, I think he commented from below. Okay, he started with yeah, okay, go Nobi, full support. I agree with you, Nobi. You're so right. Nobi is right. And then he says, Nobi, I know you're reading the chats. And I think he said something in Bengali. I think he said something in Bengali then. Yeah.
Okay, sure, cool. Hi, Ayo. But yeah, I mean that's how the entire um, show is, and I mean that is I am extremely grateful to a Netflix or a Hotstar or a Prime, because like pandemic में अगर ये सब नहीं रहता तो मुझे नहीं पता कैसे survive कर रहे होते.
I know. Like the way you're buying subscriptions and everything, you're like, इसके बिना क्या ही होता? Okay, Jaita says Nobi is it's such a cute name.
Yeah, yeah. My name is Nabodita, but people do not call me Nabodita whatsoever. They give me nicknames. So a friend of mine, my best friend Anushka, she calls me Nugget, and mostly people switch to Nobi. Yeah,
Nabo
Nabo. Yeah,
is also that.
but yeah, I mean that is what they call me. Yeah.
Okay, he says it. Nobi, your friend is cute. Okay, bye, lol. Okay,
That is you.
thank you. Khushbu said, okay, her name is Payal. Thank you, Khushbu. I think everyone, सबका focus change होके आपके nickname पे चला गया है. Nobi. Everyone is loving the name.
Okay, sure, cool. That's great.
Yeah, okay. Let's just coming back to anime.
Hmm.
You know, firstly, I did not know that, Shinchan, Doraemon, ये सारे जो cartoons like which are like household names in India, they are
Hmm.
also a type of anime. I did not know that.
मुझे भी नहीं पता था ये न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन है बट ओके.
No, like I was shocked. Like बचपन में it's just like you're associating it like what cartoon.
या
वो हो जाता है
या
कि हाँ मैंने घर पे या कार्टून देखा निंजा हथौड़ी हो गया पोअरमैन हो गया all this.
या
But afterwards, my friends told me that, like they used to be like, chalo watch anime, like watch it with us. I'm like, yaar, interest nahi banta, it's just like cartoon. And then one of my friend told me, have you watched like Doraemon, Ninja Hattori and all? मैंने कहा हाँ देखा वो है. These are like all cartoons. They're like these are anime. So technically you have also watched anime. But
तो
for
जो
me
मतलब
and
बचपन से देखते आ रही है.
हाँ, exactly, exactly, exactly. I was like, okay, okay, this is a new information. This is a new information for me as well. But yeah, for
ओके.
me, anime was always like there used to be this channel, Animax करके. It used to come on
हाँ
Tata
आई
Sky
थिंक.
and Airtel.
हाँ आई थिंक सो आई
So
रिमेम्बर
that was
इट.
anime for me, English में. So I was very scared of watching English. मतलब cartoons. I always watched all my cartoons in Hindi. So that used to
ओके.
be anime. That used to be anime for me. कि
हाँ
अच्छा ये
हाँ नहीं
Animax पे
ऐसा
जो आता है
शिनचैन
ये anime
विनचैन तो
होता
मैंने
है.
हिंदी में ही देखा है. मुझे तो लगता भी नहीं कि मैं शिनचैन किसी और लैंग्वेज में देखूंगी. ना ना.
That's actually, Shinchan is actually Chinese. It's a
ओके.
Chinese cartoon. The name Crayon Shinchan, it's
हम्म.
it's literal translation from Chinese.
Oh, I see. I see. I did not know that. Thank you for sharing. But I
Every day,
tell you
every day you
one
learn
thing.
new things.
Yeah. But one thing that we did talk about a lot of good things and things that you can learn off of anime content. But one thing that I do not like about it is the way that they portray women. Okay,
Hmm.
like I
Yeah.
mean, Japan as a whole is the culture which is conservative in nature, and but like either they would over sexualize a woman, ठीक है, or else the other spectrum, like the other end of the spectrum would be a person, a woman who is extremely hanji nanji type person, ठीक है, like even Haikyuu has a manager, okay,
Yeah.
and she is someone like, yeah, yeah, I will get the ball for you, I will fetch it for you, and ऐसे करके बात करती है वो, ठीक है,
Hmm.
एंड या आई मीन दैट इज. फिर उसके बाद ऐसे रहता है कि उसका रेलेवेंस ही एज अ सपोर्टिंग कैरेक्टर रहता है, ठीक है, और नहीं तो फिर नेग्लिजिबल ऑल टुगेदर एंड
Even though
वुमेन.
she's the manager.
या इवन दो शी इज द मैनेजर, ठीक है, एंड
Someone is saying facts. So yes, they agree with you.
oh अच्छा ओके या Yeah, I mean, फिर हाइक्यू में ही एक तानाका करके एक कैरेक्टर रहता है, उसकी बहन होती है, ठीक है। उसको लाइक इफ यू सी द कैरेक्टर, लाइक द पर्सन, यू विल बी लाइक इसको ओवर सेक्सुअलाइज करा गया है, ठीक है।
Hmm.
ओवर ओवर दैट इज नॉट ग्रेट। लाइक यू मेंशन शिनचैन, ओके।
Yeah.
शिनचैन में उसकी मम्मी, ठीक है, लाइक आई गेट इट दैट शी इज अ हाउसवाइफ, बट शी हैज जीरो रिस्पेक्ट बाय हेनरी, आई थिंक, ठीक है। वो चीज मेरे को नहीं अच्छी लगती, बिल्कुल ही, बिल्कुल ही। तो so like even like let's say an FMA, उधर भी एक फीमेल कैरेक्टर रहती है, and it's a very strong character, okay, but ये सब जो कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट रहता है वो एनिमे वाले कंटेंट में नहीं होता। लाइक हाइक्यू में इस मैनेजर को एक जरूर एपिसोड देते हैं, बट दैट्स जस्ट इट, एक एपिसोड,
Yeah. Out of the
दैट्स
whole series, one episode.
या, एंड वन
Someone is
एपिसोड
saying
भी नहीं।
it's
हाँ,
really random AF. His like that's his username. Whoever the person is, I join and hear you talk about Haikyuu, you people and like hearts. So I think we have another Haikyuu fan.
Oh, that is very cute. But yeah, I mean, that's just one reality, and I do not appreciate it whatsoever, and it feels really sad. But then the majority of the content is also very good. I mean, I like to appreciate things that are there, and I do not like things that are not up to the mark. But that's how things are, and that's
Okay, I
just
think
reality.
he's a anime fan in general. We
Oh,
have Ruchi Chaudhary. Hello everyone. Hello. I think that's Auntie. Hello Auntie.
oh, hi. Somehow I cannot watch all the comments and everything, but okay. Hi to everybody.
Every anime fan is. Have you guys watched Demon Slayer? That's what he's asking.
No, I've heard about it,
Personally,
but
I haven't. Yeah.
I haven't watched it.
What platform is it available on? If you can tell us that, we might watch it.
Yep. If you guys have any recommendation, put it on the comment
Someone's
section.
asking Dragon Ball Z. हाँ, Dragon
हाँ,
Ball Z
मैंने
देखा
देखा
है.
है वो, and I will be very honest, very very honest, और मेरे को मतलब लोग नहीं पसंद करते हैं जब मैं ये बोलती हूँ, but बचपन में मैं ड्रैगन बॉल जी देखती थी। आई थिंक पोगो वगैरह पे आता था,
Hmm.
और मेरे सर में दर्द होता था यार।
Oh my
मैं
God.
आई एम नॉट किडिंग, ओके। मेरे सर में दर्द होता था यार, वो कंटेंट देख के, मतलब वो हद से ज्यादा उसके विजुअल्स ग्राफिक्स जैसे भी थे, वो मुझे नहीं अच्छे लगते थे, एंड पीपल डू नॉट लाइक मी फॉर दैट, बट दैट इज हाउ इट इज फॉर मी।
I think Dragon Ball, I did not watch it when I was younger, but I saw the movie. So you know the film adaptation of that? Okay, someone is saying, "Oh."
Sorry, see, I told you people do not like me when I say that Dragon Ball Z is not a content that
I've only watched the movie, लेकिन मतलब that's
I
my own यार वही देखा है मैंने. The movie was nicely representative, although yeah, people don't like the movie a lot. They're like anime is better, but I don't know. मैंने movie ही देखी है तो I don't mind that. Okay, someone is saying Death Note.
डेथ नोट की भी मूवी है जो आई हैव हर्ड दैट इट्स नॉट वेरी गुड, मैंने तो देखी नहीं।
Okay,
हाँ,
I haven't either. Okay,
लाइक
Attack
दो
on
फाइट,
Titan.
अटैक ऑन टाइटंस
At-
इज आल्सो वेरी गुड, लाइक माय
Yeah,
कजिन इज वाचिंग इट, तो मैं देख रही थी थोड़ा बहुत करके, बट अगेन समथिंग दैट आई शुड वॉच, एंड वन थिंग दैट आई शुड आल्सो वॉच इज नारुतो। आई हैवंट वॉच्ड इट, बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है भैया वो ग्रंथ है यार।
yeah. Actually, next comment is Naruto. सोचो.
एनीमे हुआ, नारुतो का मेंशन ना हो तो ये तो मतलब हो ही नहीं
Khushbu
सकता है।
has watched 20 minutes of Death Note.
20
खुशबू who
मिनट्स तक
forced you? खुशबू who forced you? आप खुद से तो देखोगे नहीं. इतना I can bet. Wait,
how
okay,
many
there's
people have
another
joined, by
comment.
the way, because my number of people also, all of that is not getting updated.
Okay, I think there's 11 people as of, there's 12 people as of now.
Okay, okay.
Wait, comment कहाँ गए? Okay, here. Hi Pratigya. Death Note. Someone, My Food World says Death Note का fan base next level है. Must give it a shot. Yes.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. 10 AVG. What does that mean, Khushbu? Mayank says Death Note movie is the worst. Anime is super cool. Hi, Pratigya. Okay, Pratigya has watched Death Note. How did you find it?
Yeah,
I'm actually surprised Khushbu ने Death Note 20 minutes भी देखा. She's like Death Note and that green sick वाला emoji. That's what she's sending.
अरे यार, बट क्या ही कर सकते हैं. मेरे को ड्रैगन बॉल भी नहीं पसंद तो.
हाँ, true. Death Note is weird. One Piece. What's your opinion on One Piece? You haven't watched it, no? No, One Piece you haven't. Yeah. Maybe that should be next on your list.
Probably, yeah.
One Piece is amazing.
Okay. I'll tell you what. Okay, so like this is one idea that I had in mind is that I okay, Haikyuu का क्या था कि the art and the animation is great. ठीक है. But one more thing that is amazing about Haikyuu is that you learn a lot about team. Like, team player कैसे होते हैं. And one quote that I'll tell you, there's this character called Hinata. Okay, he's supposed to be the main character, but what I believe is that Haikyuu is not about one protagonist. Haikyuu is actually about volleyball, about team, and so there are a lot of teams and a lot of schools that participate. ठीक है, but they celebrate the content, the show. It celebrates both, like
Hmm.
a team that is winning and a team that is losing.
Losing.
Yeah, like a failure is not a failure, it's actually a lesson. ठीक है, so like they focus a lot on that. मतलब एक पूरा का पूरा एपिसोड ही रहेगा on a team that lost. ठीक है कि भाई they regret that they did not practice hard enough and that is something that they want to work on. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद कुछ कुछ ऐसे सीनियर्स रहेंगे कि they had their last opportunities during their high school to win matches, go on to the nationals, but they can't, they didn't. तो ऐसा एक रिग्रेट शायद उनका लाइफ टाइम रहेगा और लाइक फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम रहेगा. सो दे डू शो दैट इज वेल. मतलब क्या होता है कि अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट इट शोज दी शोज मूवीज एक्सेट्रा वो सिर्फ हैप्पी हैप्पी कंटेंट दिखाते हैं.
Hmm.
ठीक है, इसमें वो नहीं है. दे इट्स रियलिटी. ठीक है, सो लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक जैसा टीम का बोल रही थी मैं, देयर इज दिस कागेयामा करके, देयर इज एन अमेजिंग लाइक ही इज अ सेटर. ठीक है,
Hmm.
so again, like supposed to be a protagonist, but like I don't consider him like a thing. But what he says is that you don't win alone, and that's just how it is. Okay, even in
Hmm.
life. So even this character I'll talk about, he is called the king. ठीक है, क्यों? क्योंकि इनिशियली क्या रहता है, उसको ऐसा पोर्ट्रे करते हैं कि ही इज नॉट अ टीम प्लेयर. ठीक है, ही
Okay.
इज अ परफेक्शनिस्ट. ठीक है, एंड उसको उसके अगर शॉट्स वगैरह, सी ही इज अ सेटर. ठीक है, तो सेटर मतलब ये रहता है कि भाई मतलब बाकी जो स्पाइक करेंगे, ठीक है, उनके लिए वो बॉल थ्रो करेगा, बट अगर स्पाइकर्स ढंग से पास नहीं करते और कैन नॉट मैच हिज रिदम, देन हिज एफर्ट्स आर एब्सोल्युटली वर्थलेस. ठीक है, तो वो ऐसा मतलब जो दूसरे टीम प्लेयर्स होते हैं उनको बहुत ज्यादा डीमीन करता था,
Mm-hmm.
रिस्पेक्ट नहीं
Mm-hmm.
करता था, बोलता था कि तुम यूजलेस हो, जबकि वो बहुत टैलेंटेड प्लेयर्स होते थे, बट वो रिदम नहीं बैठ रहा. बट आफ्टर दैट ही ग्रेजुअली लर्न्स हाउ टू बी अ टीम प्लेयर. ठीक है, कि you need to understand what their emotions are while they play. You need to understand how what works and what does not work, and it cannot be uniform in nature whatsoever. So like a character who learns how to be a team player and says that you don't win alone, and
Hmm.
that's just how it is extremely true. Even in life, sometimes I feel that whatever minor milestones that I've had in life, I don't think you do that alone. There is always help. So like that is one thing that is there. फिर उसके बाद I'll look for another. Oh my god, battery off हो गई. But okay, ठीक है. मतलब और भी मतलब कई सारे ऐसे डायलॉग होते हैं जो जो आप पढ़ोगे सुनोगे तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा oh that is divine.
Hmm.
So something that you can hold on to and might motivate you, inspire you to just push harder. That's it. So yeah.
I think like that's very important that obviously ये वाला जो anime होगा it caters a मतलब young audience भी है but older audience भी like people who are like in their 20s and everything. So it's very important to focus on the losing aspect as well.
Yeah.
What's it called? Imagine being okay. Wait. Mayank says, imagine watching Haikyuu just before your volleyball match.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know
I
how
think
would that feel, but I think you might actually get very hyped up, because like the characters are such कि मतलब चाहे कुछ भी हो बेसिक यही रहता है कि how can you improve in life. So like so जैसा हिनादा होता है he's extremely passionate. ठीक है मतलब passion drives him, but a character like Tsushima discipline drives him,
hmm,
and Kageyama perfection drives him. ठीक है फिर there's a character called Daichi. ठीक है leadership drives him because he's the captain of the team. ठीक है but leadership drives him. फिर उसके बाद yeah, like a lot of these, and then they also focus on the emotional stability that you need and you develop over time. कि प्रेशर में आप कैसे सोचते हो,
hmm,
and you understand, you realize the like the good parts and the not so good parts about your team player, and you need to
accept
help,
it.
you need to accept it, correct, and you need
Yeah.
to not judge them for it. So yeah, I mean all of these tiny details that are there, it is extremely, and ऐसा भी नहीं होता मतलब rivalry होती है between teams, but they don't hate each other. Like rivalry is that they are teams, but they respect each and every player that is out there. तो like इतना सब कुछ इतना माइनर डिटेल रहता है, values, beliefs, that you actually like I fell in love with it because like it is divine, and you whatever episode that you watch you learn something out of it.
I think yes, that's very important. And as speaking about teamwork, maybe I think since your battery is about to die, we can wrap it up on a good note about teamwork. So we have a couple of our interns in the chat. So
Yeah,
running a company and having all these team of interns, teamwork is very important. And
extremely important. Yeah, yeah,
उसके बिना I don't think any company or team can survive.
yeah,
So guys, take inspiration from Haikyuu. Even if you haven't watched it, you should try to watch it, take inspiration from it about teamwork, and try to implement it in real life at MMC because
yeah,
we have a lovely team of interns who work very, very hard
yeah.
every single day.
Yeah, I mean MMC as an organization, that's what I was thinking about it. Uh, it's a bunch of extremely dynamic interns. That is the driving force
The hearts
behind.
are popping up side में वो hearts वाला होता है ना. I think it's
Oh, okay,
exploding.
okay,
People
okay,
are
okay.
loving it.
Yeah, because that's true. Like Payal, you were there when I was also there, right? And
Yeah.
हम लोग पता नहीं क्या क्या नहीं करते थे, क्या क्या नहीं करते थे. I'm dead sure that has been, that has continued to be even right now. Like I see the content that goes out these days, and it's extremely nice. You know, so yeah, I mean definitely like teamwork, especially when you try and run an organization. Team is the foundation, the pillars of it all. So yeah, I mean all the best. Um, I'm sure you're doing great as a manager.
I
So
try to. Try to.
yeah, yeah. So yeah, leadership and
We
team
have it in the
work.
comments. Ishita says definitely, and Meethi says for sure. MMC feels like another home. Hello,
Yeah,
Shubham. It's
Shubham.
family.
Oh,
Someone just joined.
okay.
It's a family. Yes, it is. It is a pretty much like a family.
Yeah, yeah.
She's the
And
best.
what I see is that even today, I think Sheva, he was, giving ideas
Yes.
about all the products that you can have. Like, even ex interns, all of us are still connected. And all of us still have this, sort of a connection with MMC, and we still contribute no matter,
At the
we.
back of your mind is always MMC. कहीं ना कहीं पे there's always MMC.
Absolutely, absolutely. Like time and again, whenever I can, I always mention whatever experiences that I've had there. Like I've learned a lot,
I
like a
think कुछ
lot.
कुछ तो there's also like occupational hazard. Like if someone if someone like posts a story and you start giving ideas like इसका caption ऐसे हो सकता था. I think it happened with Khushbu. She was explaining it one day. Like she was at a friend's place and they just clicked random pictures and everything like to post on Instagram, and then she had this thing like इसका caption ऐसे जा सकता है, इसका placement ऐसे हो सकता है, and
Uh,
everything, and she's like यार ये MMC की story नहीं जा रही है.
I know, my
वो
God.
literally occupational hazard हो जाता है वो.
सीरियसली सीरियसली आई मीन आई रिमेम्बर कि भाई मतलब ऑर्डर वॉर्डर जब भी ऐसे आते थे, लाइक मिडल ऑफ द मीटिंग एक ऑर्डर आ गया, ठीक है, सो आई मीन आई वुडंट से कि हजार्ड होता है, बट भाई मतलब काफी वल्नरेबल रहता है व्हेन यू नो वर्क एट अ स्टार्टअप. एंड I really believe that interning at a budding startup brings you a lot of learnings, a lot of it. So yeah, like I'll
We
give you one
have,
small
yeah,
example.
go on.
So I remember that this was the first wave when we wanted to buy up OTG, ठीक है, but like गुड़गांव में at least OTG का supply बंद हो गया था, ठीक
Hmm.
है. So that was one thing that had happened. Now, cut to my job, like at 2.7, we had a prospective client, okay, which is Wonder Chef. Okay, Wonder Chef is a company, like it's a
I
food
know,
brand.
yeah.
Yeah,
हाँ,
yeah.
you have the equipment. मेरे घर में है उनके equipments.
हाँ, लाइक बेकिंग वगैरह का हो रहता है, ठीक है.
हाँ.
तो उनके सीएफओ से बात हो रही थी हमारी, ठीक है. एंड ही वाज टेलिंग अस दैट फर्स्ट वेव में ओटीजी वाज वन प्रोडक्ट सेगमेंट दैट टुक अ हिट फॉर सम रीजन, ठीक है, और उसका सप्लाई चेन बहुत ज्यादा खराब हो गया था बेसिकली, ठीक है. एंड आई नो अबाउट दिस ऑलरेडी. I
Because you
know
lived
about
through
it.
it.
Yeah, because like I because like of MMC. Okay, and I was like I could contribute. These are like first month, second month of my job, and where I can't contribute a lot because you need to understand what the organization does and all of that. And during that meeting, I was like, I know this because I experienced it. And yeah, I mean all of these real life things that you do, like, so for example, right now I'm working on the website as well, and I know about it because I previously worked on the website for MMC. So like all the experiences, the skills and everything that you learn at an organization like Mr. Mustache's Cakes, I think it helps a lot. So yeah,
I
it'll
I
work.
absolutely agree with you. Okay, Ishita, you give us motivation to work.
uh, oh.
You have my heart, Ishita.
Yeah.
She's the marketing manager right now.
Oh, oh, okay, okay, okay.
We have Tab, Sachi, Khushbu going off. Ruchi Chaudhary, MMC team is really hardworking team. Thank you, auntie. Love the glasses. Akash Wadhwani. Tab agreed. Lovely cakes. Thank you, Gaurav. Okay,
Yeah,
so time to wrap the first live session. Thank you so much, Nabodita, for coming and
yeah,
whatever inspiration you have given to our interns who attended today. I'm sure it's going to help us. And Monday,
yeah,
say they're going to be pumped up. getting
Yeah,
this
and I'm very
amazing speech.
happy that Baker Story has a season 2. So
Yes,
all the very best for it.
I hope to live up to your expectations.
Oh
I
Lord,
really
sure
hope
hope it
that
was great.
from last year's host to today's first guest, I hope
I know
things have
time
a way
flies.
of wrapping themselves. Like,
Yeah,
come life comes to a full circle. I think this is the full circle for that.
maybe. I don't know. Chalo, ठीक है. Okay.
All
Thank you
right.
everybody for
Thank
coming.
you for attending the live. Thank you, everyone. I think there's 14 people left. Thank you,
एक save
Kushi.
कर लेना
Thank you,
video by the way.
Bhavika. Yeah, I'm gonna save it. Yeah, I'm gonna
हाँ.
save it. Thank you, Bhavika, for attending. Thank you, Tab, My Food World, Abhishek, Ishita, Mayank,
Everyone.
Rajat, Mansi Chitroda, Ruchi Chaudhary, Priyanka Mishra, Divyanshu Sharma, Pooja, Snehanjan, and Vatsal, and Sam. Thank you so much for
Thank
attending,
you.
guys. I hope everyone enjoyed the session. And until next Sunday, which is going to be on K dramas. So, Baker
Oh,
Story on
nice,
K dramas. I
nice.
hope everyone attends that. And see you next week. Bye.
All the best. Bye bye.
Thank you, everyone. I was supposed to end this.